Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. My name is Katelyn from Florals.com, and today I have a box here because I pulled out this box because this is an old How to Kill a Kit with Style. I used it many months ago and I decided to pull it back out, and it has been stored in this box ever since. And this is one of those mega kits. I'm not gonna lie, this is much larger than my last one, actually probably than my last couple of them, but I thought I'd pull this out and try to use up some more of the page kits inside. As you can tell, there's a lot in here, so I'm just going to get started going through it. And again, I've already done a share about this, and I actually have videos on my channel that show making the page kits. So I will have all that information linked down below. I will also have a few links down below pertaining to the Black Lives Matters movement. If you guys have not heard about it, if you're international, check out the links down below for ways you can help and amplify the voices of those that are oppressed. It is very, very important that we stand together at this time. And again, I will have links down below for that, as I've had all weekend with my other videos, but I just wanted to mention it in this video before we dive into the craftiness. So really excited for this kit, and as you guys know, several other wonderful ladies are also participating in the How to Kill a Kit with Style for this month. I will have all of their channels linked down below so you guys can check it out. And again, so many great ladies just playing along, and if you guys haven't checked them out yet, hopefully you'll find someone new or someone you forgot about that you absolutely love that's joining us again. But let's just dive into it. I'm going to start by pulling out washi tape because, as you guys know, I adore washi tape, and I have 5 bazillion in this kit. So I have pinks and yellows, and this is kind of the color scheme of the kit, to be honest. Pinks, yellows, mints, white, grid, blues, just really pretty stuff. And like I said, I do have videos about making these into kits previously, so I will put those down below. These are a new addition. These were sent to me by the lovely Colleen, and she punched out some vellum butterflies and dragonflies and hearts in these vellum colors that match perfectly, as well as some vintage like text papers and some mints and deep burgundies that I want to use in this kit. And then we have this set of pockets from Hobby Lobby, just some nice pastel ones. These colors on the back don't actually represent them very well. They're much more pastel than that, as you can see. And this will be quite fast because I don't want to go through every little bit and being that's in here, mainly because this has been made so long ago that, to be honest, I have no idea. So I'll spread some out here so you guys can check them out. But again, lots of die cuts from Chamel and Pink Paisley and Fancy Pants and Hobby Lobby and Michaels and Ellie Studio and Pretty Little Studio and Project Life and Pink Fresh Studio. So lots and lots of die cuts. Heidi Swap in there, Studio Calico in there, lots of stuff in there. And then we also have a little bag, which these are full of more embellishments, so I'm going to come back to this one. We'll go through this one a bit more. But then we have some larger pieces over here that coordinate with the kit. So I have this alphabet set from Ellie Studio, this Jelly Bean soup set, and I believe this kit, if I remember correctly, was originally made for a bunch of my Washington, D.C. layouts. So if you guys remember the Washington, D.C. phase I went through, that's where a majority of these are from. This set of thickers, which I would love to use up this month. Honestly, I probably could. There's only like 12 or so on here, so if we could use those up. And then these are some We Are Memory Keepers Honey I'm Home collection stickers, which are really cute. Then we have a bazillion pocket page cards, and I really mean a bazillion. Pinks, grays, yellows, just a lot of pretty colors, to be honest, and I haven't used enough pocket page cards, so I'm excited to use some more through this kit. And I know a lot of you guys have a lot of pocket page cards too, so if you'd like me to specifically see me use those on some 12 by 12 pages, let me know in the comments down below. Then we can move on into the 6x6. So first off, we have the Bo Bunny Early Bird collection. This is such a great collection, very pretty, and this is from, let's see, 2017. Then we have the Finders Keepers paper pad from Kaiser Craft, and this one's quite old too. I bought this in Maryland, so I've had this for a few years, but I don't see a year on it. But it's really pretty. Again, pastels. You can kind of see a theme growing here of pastels, which from the previous kit last month when we did a lot of bright and bold colors with the lime green and the hot pink, it's a much needed change. Here is a really old Dear Lizzie Fifth and Frolic. Now this only has 3 papers left in it, so I am determined to use it up because this is a 2012 paper pad. And we got cut aparts, stripe, and then these could also be cut aparts or just a pattern paper, but this will be an empty this month. As you guys know, I am collecting empties for the year, and I had a really successful month last month, so I'd like to continue on that roll with another successful month this month. Then we have the Just Be You paper pad from Echo Park. Again, lots of pastels, the mint and the yellow and the pinks, and this is from 2016. This was a really popular collection though when it came out, and I have a lot of scraps in here, but I still have quite a few full size, I think 4 or 5 or 6 of those that will be used on some layouts. So let me know which of these paper pads you guys have and like to see onto some pages. But before we move on into the actual page kits, I do want to show you guys these embellishments, which are just in another bag. I won't go through all of them, just the main ones here. There's also doilies and tissue paper and things in that bag. But first off, we have the Life in Color from Simple Story sticker set. I do have some of the Life in Color papers in this kit, so that's why this sticker set is so apparent. Teresa Collins chipboard buttons. These are quite old as well, but I'd like to use those up this month. The Reset Girl Carpe Diem planner stickers. Now these are just icon stickers. They kind of have a planner vibe to them, but these are from 2016, and I like the vintage vibe very much, and I would like to use some more of those. I included the Spiegelmom Scraps Dictionary Butterflies. These could be finished this month. There's only like 6 or so left. These are some Amy Tan phrase stickers. I thought I had more, which might be somewhere in this pile, but some Amy Tan. Some We Are Memory Keepers foil labels. Pink Paisley C'est La Vie puffy stickers. I'd love to use these up. They've been around for a while. I will have some trouble with these ones. Using realistic flowers is hard when a lot of my page kits have like doodle flowers or different types of illustrations. Another puffy sticker set, this time from Heidi Swap. I like the boldness of the black, which adds a lot of contrast to these pastel layouts. This is a Heidi Swap ephemera set. Again, very, very old, 2013. And I can't really tell how many are left, but obviously pinks and yellows, and there's vellum mixed in with cardstock, so it'll be interesting to see that come to fruition and trying to use these up. But this was a pack of 73 when it started, which is, you know, a lot of die cuts for one pack, especially nowadays. And then we have the We Are Memory Keepers typecast bags. These are called treat bags, but I like to use them for hidden journaling or for adding pamphlets to my layouts. And as you guys know, with a trifle album like my DC album, you could have a lot of pamphlets to include, so that's why these were in the kit specifically. But if you guys are interested in any of the products here that I featured, I will try to have them linked down below so you guys can check them out. Add them to your stash if you're looking for a crafty pick-me-up. And now we can move on to the page kits. So this first set here is actually all the scraps that are left over. So we have these 2 pieces, and these 2 are out specifically because I've already used this kit to do a live stream with my patrons. So if you guys want to see the kit first, if you want to get the inside scoop, head over to Patreon and sign up. And obviously they also get, which I've mentioned before, behind the scenes videos every single week, and everyone gets those. It's for every tier, but these are all the scraps I have left, which honestly I know a lot of you are curious about how to use scraps on your layouts, and I'll definitely be pulling from this for my layouts this month because there's not a lot of page kits left. So we have about a 1/4 inch thick of scraps to use, which again I'm really excited for, and hopefully you guys are too. And don't forget that I will have the links down below for everything mentioned in this video, as well as when I made these page kits, so you guys could see the full effect from the beginning, because I know it's hard to fathom what's kind of going on here because you might not have seen the beginning. I also have 2 leftover pieces of 12 by 12 that weren't used in their original page kits, so they can be included as well. And then we move into the actual page kits, which are over here and actually stuck in the box. Don't ask me why they're all stuck in the box, but they are. Okay, so we only have a couple page kits left, like I mentioned, but again, I would love to use them up in terms of just using the page kits and then putting them into the scrap pile and then refocusing after that. And this is when I was raving about the coated paper clips because they won't damage your papers as much, and I still have them on there and there's no dents or damages, so I'm pretty happy with that. So this is the first page kit. These are papers from various collections. The first 2 are from Simple Stories, and then this one is from Craftsmith. So you can kind of get some fun primary colors, but also like the teal and the baby pink. really cute and really fun. This one will probably be easy for me to use, and you guys know I love bold patterns. Then this next one uses that same arrow paper we just saw. I still haven't used it at all. And it also has some papers from Craftsmith as well. So these are some different paper pads, and I think this one's from Recollections, but these pastels really go nicely together, and I really love a good floral. So that's probably why there's a floral in every single one of these page kits, because that is just my vibe, as several of you already know. Then we have this Maggie Holmes floral, which again, lots of different collections were used to make these page kits. And then 2 more from Recollections, so this travel theme, but I love this paper so, so much. And I can't remember if I've ever used it before or if it's still in my paper pad. I'll have to actually check because I would love to see. And then this one is mostly comprised of scraps, but I also have this striped pattern paper as the background. So lots of bold here. It'll be interesting again to see this come to fruition, and all of these are from Simple Stories. And then this one's kind of just an idea more so than a page kit, but I have this polka dot paper, again from Simple Stories, paired with this Recollections travel themed paper, and I had an idea to cut all of these out, which I've already cut out some for other layouts, but cut them all out and kind of do like this fun collage idea. But we'll have to see if that comes to fruition as well. But as you guys just saw me go through, there's only 5 page kits left, and I kind of like that this month. As you guys might not know, I just announced a new series for my channel that won't be focused on process videos, but focused on some actions instead. So hopefully you guys have checked that out. If not, I'll have it linked down below. There's gonna be a lot of links down below for you guys to check, so be sure you check out the description box before you head out. But I wanted to make sure that you guys saw all the page kits next to each other, all from varying collections, but again, mixing and matching along the way. So they don't look like they go together, but they sort of all do. So now that we have 5 page kits to choose from, we also have to keep in mind that this could honestly probably be like 10 more page kits had I included a couple more 12x12s, included some cardstocks to use as backgrounds, and I think that's where we'll eventually end up by the end of the month. I'll probably need more things to use, so I wouldn't be surprised if that is where we end up. But for now, 5 page kits is kind of the goal, and mixing in scraps along the way because I just love using scraps. And then at the bottom of my bucket, I have one last thing which always gets stuck, so I don't know why I put it at the bottom. But I have a 12x12 sticker sheet, and again, you guys might remember this kit, so this might not be a surprise to you, but I also have this Webster's Pages sticker sheet that's absolutely falling apart. But I'd love to use a couple more of these stickers up and maybe do some more titles with it. But you know, making progress, seeing a lot more empties on things has been really motivating, and I hope you guys are excited to see a large kit instead of like the small kits I've been doing, because while I do like small kits a lot, they give me a lot of focus and a lot of energy. I just love having choices. So I'm going to continue to use the scraps and the page kits and the embellishments and the 6x6 and the stickers and the washi tape and the pocket page cards. Honestly, this could be overwhelming for a lot of people, but I have worked with it before. This is actually kind of a smaller version because, again, I've worked with it before, so this is after I've used some things. But I'm really excited to have these choices and to take you guys along for the ride in June for How to Kill a Kit with Style again. Everyone who else is participating this month will be linked down below, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and again, all the links will be down below for anything you need and everything you should be checking out. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!